Meat Chopper for Hamburger effortless meat preparation tool transform your cooking experience. Make meal prep a breeze with our versatile meat chopper, designed to easily break down ground meat, vegetables, and other ingredients for quick and even cooking. Whether you're making juicy hamburgers, savory tacos, or hearty chili, this tool will save you time and effort in the kitchen. Durable and high-quality construction. Crafted from food-grade BPA-free nylon, our meat chopper is built to last. The sturdy design ensures it can handle tough meats without bending or breaking, while the non-stick material makes it easy to clean. It's also heat-resistant, so you can safely use it in hot pans and pots without worrying about damage. Ergonomic design for comfortable use. Featuring an ergonomic handle, this meat chopper offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The handle is thoughtfully designed to fit securely in your hand, giving you complete control as you chop, mix, and stir. It's the perfect tool for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Multifunctionality at its best. While perfect for breaking up ground beef for hamburgers, this chopper is a multi-purpose tool that can be used for more than just meat. It's also ideal for mashing potatoes, breaking up cooked vegetables, blending ingredients in soups and stews, and even crushing tomatoes for sauces. Its versatile design makes it an essential addition to any kitchen. Safe and easy to clean. Our meat chopper is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The one-piece design ensures there are no crevices for food to get stuck in, maintaining a high level of hygiene. Additionally, it's safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick pans, as it won't scratch or damage the surface. Perfect size for efficient cooking, measuring just the right length to reach all corners of your cooking vessels. This meat chopper ensures even cooking and thorough mixing of ingredients. Its 4 or 5 blade design allows for quick and efficient chopping, reducing cooking time, and ensuring that your ground meat is evenly broken up for a perfect texture. Why choose our meat chopper? Versatility. Great for hamburgers, tacos, chili, and more. Durability. Made from strong, heat-resistant materials. Comfort. Ergonomic handle for ease of use. Safety. Non-toxic, food safe, and dishwasher friendly. Efficiency. Saves time and ensures even cooking. Conclusion. Upgrade your kitchen tools with our meat chopper for Hamburger and enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience. Whether you're making a quick weeknight dinner or preparing a feast for family and friends, this handy tool